Maggie's about to go troll hunting. Look at that. And hope Maggie takes down a deer. Have you ever camped beside the Susquehanna River? Sure. I camped on an island in the middle of it one time. Well, let's go look. So it's 2:30, April 22nd. Maggie and I are going camping. Weather's going to be nice. It's about 72 now. It's supposed to be 65 tomorrow and 80 on Sunday. It's Friday. So we ought to get there relatively early for us. And we're going to weekend play in the fire, chill out, take a walk by the river, maybe throw a couple of rocks. We're going to eat pretty good. Okay, we're here. This is where Maggie and I will spend our weekend. If you buy firewood at the campground, the guy who runs the place will bring it to you on a tractor. For me? This ARB awning is not the easiest thing to set up, and sometimes it gets me flummoxed, but I'm glad I have it. This isn't the fun part for me, but I think it's a necessary evil if you're going to be in one spot for a couple of days. It keeps you out of the weather, and the sun is not my friend. I'm glad that's over. There it is. We're pretty much set up. Going to make me a fire. Got me some fat wood. I reckon that's good enough. Starting a fire with no matches may not float everybody's boat, but it sure is good for my ego. Okay, there we go. Second hit. Oh my goodness. That's taking off now. It's a nasty black fat wood smoke. Let's move this over to where it belongs. And let's make a fire. I don't think Stewie Babcock did it this way, but it's working for me. Okay, it's a fire. Okay, folks, here's my entry for the Jenga style fire building contest. Trying to get me some hamburgers and fried onions going for dinner. It's about 6 o'clock. I got an online event I would like to attend at 7. I don't even know if I can do it from here. Self-service is really horrible. Maggie, what are you doing? You getting bored? I don't think she likes being tied to a string. No, sir, not one bit. I could be cooking with gas if I hook up some gas. can't tell when it's too high. I'm gonna cook 2 of these. There's no way I'll eat 2, but maybe Maggie can help. I'm sure she'll be happy to do that. Let's let that get done. Maggie and I are waiting on some dinner to get done. Anyway, Maggie, you wanna come here? You wanna be famous? Come here. Come here, I'll make you famous. Come on, I can drag your bed over here. Oh, are you chilly? Come here, I will cover you up. I'm sorry you have to be tied on a string, but that's the rules. You want to get up here with me? You want to come up? I'm sorry you had to be on a string. After dinner, we're going to go for a walk. Okay? I can see the Susquehanna River from here. Just bits through the trees. We're going to walk down tomorrow and have a look at that. Maybe take a little walk up in the woods on the hill, see if I can find some fat wood. Would you like to sit on your pad? Would you like to lay on your pad? It's softer? Oh, you just need more scratching? It's kind of crowded, but I guess it's a pretty big commercial campground. It's a little warmer than I would like it to be, but I'm not at work, I'm not at home, and I ain't mowing no grass. You hear other people, they're splitting their firewood. I can see him over there. He got a hammer and an axe, but I didn't have to resort to all that. I chose the pieces I was going to split up wisely. We're going to eat soon, Maggie. You want me to get yours out now? Will that make you happy? I can give you your dinner early. I'll get back to you later this evening. Probably after it gets dark. Maybe when we're taking our walk. Okay, so it's about, I don't know, 8 o'clock or a little after. And Maggie says she's ready to go for a walk. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to follow Maggie's nose for a while. Interesting happens, I'll try to show you. Come on, Maggie. She's deer hunting. Everybody likes their colored lights. I love it. Maggie's all the way out there at the edge of the campsite. She's just waiting for something to move in them woods. I think she's the guard dog. Got a good blazing fire. I still got dishes to do. Damn it. Make some hot chocolate. Listen to the fire crackle. Listen to my book for a little bit. And hope Maggie takes down a deer. You go, girl. I'm gonna sit out here for a while yet. I got my fresh cup of hot chocolate. It's about just right. And I'm gonna eat this piece of cheese. Listen to the wind and watch the coals burn down. Maggie's crashed out already. She had a big day. Let's see if we can get Maggie to get up. Hey, Maggie. Maggie. Do you want a piece of cheese? I got some cheese. Ooh. Dropped it. You want another little piece? Come here. You had to come here and give me some kissing first. Come here. Yes, I know that fire is hot and scary, ain't it? You know to stay away from this fire. Fire is not for dogs. Up here, I'll cover you up. Up here. Now. Covers you up. You have to pull on your string. Might run off and catch a deer. And it's not seasoned. Maggie thinks the deer are always in season. I think when this fire burns down, I'm going to go finish making the bed and kick my shoes off. Watch a little Amazon Prime. If the cell signal was good enough. This campground is really quiet for all these people. From what I can see, campers and trailers here are long term. Well, I guess that makes for a good community. Everybody I've had contact with is all smiles. I mean, how could you not be? You're out here in the woods, kind of, in the woods with neighbors. Nobody's going to work in the morning. I think some people live here. People across the street from me, that guy definitely came in from work to that camper. But everybody's out camping, everybody's happy, everybody's smiling. Maggie, I ate it all. I can't give you no bunch of cheese. You're just a little dog. This would be perfect for cooking on now. I'm going to finish my hot chocolate and listen to the wind for a while. Good morning. Say good morning, Maggie. That's good enough. It's about coming up on 8 o'clock. I don't know how Maggie slept. I didn't sleep that great. I had to keep turning and turning. My back was hurting. We're gonna get up, get dressed, probably go for a little walk first, and then come back and make some coffee, and then some breakfast, and then we'll see what we get up to. Okay. Here's what the good morning first look looks like. This is where we spent the night. I can hear the creek running. And this is woods all behind us. And I'm going to leave the heater running for a bit while I go to take a walk to the bathroom. And then we'll come back, clean up, get changed for the day, start a little fire, make some coffee, make some breakfast. And then I'm going to look and see what kind of walking we got around here. Let's go to the potty. Alright, we had our walk. Made coffee. It's time for some breakfast. I think I'm going to have a sausage sandwich. And Maggie does not want to come outside. She's happy in her blankie.
It's a little cool. I know it's about 50, 55. Calling for a slight chance of rain. That's too much. And I'll share some of this with Maggie.
We're going to have breakfast pretty soon. You want to come outside? Do you want to go exploring, or do you want to hop up on your seat? You want to stay in your blanket? Turn that down a little bit. And we'll have our breakfast.
I guess I should put on some pants. I'm still in my pajamas.
And I have my Gnome cup.
I bet you'll like sausage. Sometimes that smoke just goes the wrong way. Ain't really that cold, but you need a coat. I should have brought your coat. Poor old Maggie. She got her sleeping pad and a blanket.
So yeah, we're having a good time. It's relatively quiet, but it's Saturday morning. I expect more folks will be in here tonight. Not that it's not crowded enough, but there are some empty spots, and I didn't expect that. Because some places I tried to go this weekend were completely booked. Yeah, and I chose a bad spot to sit.
Alright, Maggie, I think the breakfasts are done. We're going to butter up a little bit of bread, sit down and eat, come back in a bit, whether we do nothing or go for a walk. Okay, there's the Susquehanna River. There's a couple little islands here in the middle of it. This whole side is just dotted with little islands. Oh, these rocks say private property. I might be somewhere I'm not supposed to be at. The whole base of these little islands is all solid rock. Look at the size of that stump. It's about 4 feet across. Maggot. Not a good idea? Okay. Love you too. Here's some stuff about the Tidewater Canal. Here's some more about the Susquehanna Canal. And we have this old stone building. It looks important. York Furnace Bridge. I want to read this one actually. Well, damn. Okay. I wonder what the house was for. Maybe, I guess this was some sort of inn/place where you pay to cross, maybe. But it's a big old building, all stone. Looks like a new deck. I'm sure the stonework has been repointed. And there's the Susquehanna proper. Ooh. The resident Canadian geese everywhere. Maggie really likes them. Maggie, you're shaking me. She can't stand them goose being loose and she's on a string. Geese. Gooses.
can't go in there. Looks like somebody plays horseshoes around here. These pegs are a little short. Alright, Maggie wants to keep exploring. Here we go. Me and Maggie's about to go troll hunting. My luck, I find Shrek. Okay, maybe we'll save this one for another time. Gonna be fried potatoes and onions and a little bit of, I think they're filet mignons. It was a big thick thing and I cut it in half. And I'm gonna cook those right over the coal. Gonna be a good dinner. Okay, here we are. We got the meats going. I think they're ready to flip over already. They haven't been on there a minute. Potatoes and onions. I think the meat's going to get done first. I better tend to that. I don't want to have my meat burnt. Ooh, look at that. Looking good so far. I never brought no steak sauce, but I got salt and pepper, but I don't care, it's going to be delicious either way. And this is Maggie. I bet when I get that meat to the table, she'll bring her tail end outside. Lazy dog. I'm ready to get my bon appetit on. I'm going to give the potatoes a couple more minutes though, but I'm going to get a head start on these babies. Oh my God. See how long it takes Maggie to get out here. There, right there. That's what it's all about. In front of the fire. Bon appetite to me. Look at that meat. It's perfect. I really outdid myself on this one. Maggie done treated a squirrel. She's mad. Maggie? Maggie, are you going to get that squirrel? Ooh. The squirrel is mad too now. No, come on, you're going to get yourself all tangled up. Come back. Come on. We'll get us a new squirrel, one that's not in a tree. If you come on, I'll buy you 2 squirrels at the store. Oh, I see him up there. Oh, you probably can't see him unless he moves. But I see his little head up there. Come on, Maggie, let's go. Come on. What's the matter, Maggie? Do you see another dog? Over there? It's okay, Maggie. It's getting close to bedtime. I threw me a hot dog over the coals for a bit. For a bedtime snack. Oh, you coming out, Maggie? If you want to come out here, you had to be on your string.
And I got a little piece of chicken that I'm heating up on the grill. Maggie, I will share this with you, but it's a little bit hot. So, we had our big afternoon walk. And then we come home and had dinner. And then my sister and brother-in-law came for a visit for a while, enjoyed the fire, and talked a bit. And after they left, me and Maggie went for another little walk. But it's getting close to bedtime now. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit. There's a lot of people still up and about. There's just like a whole shit ton of calm, quiet parties everywhere. And you know what? Now I know where the term happy camper comes from. Okay, everybody I've seen out here has a smile on their face and they're happy. I mean, you're out camping, why not be happy? Yeah, I'm gonna eat some of this chicken. You know what? I might put another piece of wood or two on the fire. Okay, I didn't forget you. And this little girl, shares are her favorite thing. Right now she's very patient. Sometimes she's not so patient. If I'm eating something and she really wants some and I'm not sharing, she'll start growling at me. But we're having shares tonight. It's really warm. I'm going to check what it's going down to, but I could probably cover Maggie up tonight and get away without the heater. And Maggie got a lot of shares tonight. She is a happy camper. Now I got fire again. I'm going to at least wait up till the flames are gone, I guess. I'll listen to a book, watch some movie. Maggie, I'm all out of shares. The only thing I'm left I'm going to eat is some yogurt and chocolate, and you don't like one and you can't have the other one. But yeah, there's a lot of people and everybody's got their places all lit up. I ought to turn on my Christmas lights. Maybe I'll fit in better then. I think I'll do that before I go to bed. Or before too much later. Medicine. Ugh. I might see you guys before bed, or I might not. Maggie, are you sleepy? Oh, it's about 7:45. There's the little girl. Maggie, is it time to giddy up? I don't want to giddy up. I'm tired. I want to sleep more. But I don't know if I can. It's supposed to really warm up today. Let's have a look outside. Oh my. Oh geez. It's all sunshiny out there. Maggie, do you need to go pee? Come on, let's put your string on. It's time to get dressed. So me and Maggie are having our morning walk. We're going to come back and make a coffee, piddle around for a little while, but we got to pack up today and get out of here and go to work tomorrow. Make the most of it, Maggie. We gotta go home today. But it is a beautiful morning. I mean, the sun is out. It's like, I don't know, 50 or 55 degrees. Supposed to go up to 80. That's too hot for camping. Come on, Maggie. I gotta go to the bathroom too. Well, it's a really nice morning on the Susquehanna. The sun is up bright. Yesterday it was all cloudy. There's another creek that comes onto the Susquehanna. I guess I'd have to look on a map, Google Earth or something, to find out what it is, but looks like there's a little boat launch right down there, some picnic areas. Maggie, should we go walk down there? We didn't find this place yesterday. We can do some bird hunting. Come on. This little morning walk has gotten out of hand. I ain't even had my coffee yet. But we found this nice creek to go and explore. Still haven't looked it up, but it's got a pretty decent trail to walk up. I don't know how far it goes, but I don't want to go too far, Maggie, because I want to go and have coffee and sit down for a little while before I gotta clean up. I don't know what time checkout time is, but I'm figuring around 11, maybe 12. What do you think, Maggie? You ain't seen nothing you want to chase yet? Oh, it's nice back here. Except for that little bit of garbage right there. Oh, this just looks like a flood area where shit washed up. And that right up there is the campground. We're going to take a shortcut up that hill when we go out of here, Maggie. But we're going to check out the creek a little more. But it's pretty steep on both sides. Well, way down there is the creek. There's a trail. Me and Maggie's going to take a walk and see if we can't get a little closer. Oh, I caught Maggie going to the bathroom. Holy cow, here we got some waterfalls. Let's go look. Trail goes by some pretty big rock formations. It looks like it goes right underneath of them. Come on, Mag. Now this would be a cool place to camp. You could get right up under here and it would shelter you from the rain. Except there's a little hole right there. It looks like a lot of water comes out of it. Maybe not a great place to camp. Ooh. You get over the log, Maggie? Oh yeah, but this is a cool trail underneath all these rocks. Man, if that thing wants to break and fall off, holy cow. Look at this. As it turns out, this spot was right behind my campsite and the source of the noise that I had been hearing. Well, it looks like this is what I've been hearing all night long. Should we check out this bridge? I don't think Maggie's up to climbing that hill on the other side. But I'll have to check it out another time. Come on, Maggie, let's go get on the bridge. had a good long walk this morning. It's only 9 o'clock. Man, we did good. So I'm getting ready to make some coffee and a little bit of oatmeal and just chill out a little bit. Already started doing a little bit of packing up in the van. I can't fold up the bed yet and put everything in there. Maggie's still having her morning catch-up sleep after the walk. Quaker instant maple and brown sugar. Probably not the breakfast of champions. Damn, I might have overdid that a little bit. I'm having porridge. Maggie, are you hungry? Good morning. Yes, it was. Good morning. Good morning. Well, we're all cleaned up, ready to go. Maggie, she looks like she's ready to travel. Huh, girl? Lazy ass dog. So, got a nice day to ride home in through the country. Had a nice walk down by a waterfall, that was cool. But we're ready to go home. Hey everybody, it's Larry from Let's Go Look. I took this trip in April, it's August now. I took a big trip in July to New River Gorge, but the next video I put out is going to be a technical video with a lot of upgrades I've made to the van recently. You all have a good night, and I'll see you later.